In this video tutorial, you will tour the Milestone Care portal for partners in My Milestone. First, we need to log into My Milestone. We enter our name and password and then select Login. We select Reseller Portal. If the Reseller Portal doesn't appear in your My Milestone account, contact your Milestone representative to request access. We select Milestone Care Portal for partners. To take the best care of Milestone products throughout their entire lifetimes, Milestone Care is a complete service and support program. In the Milestone Care Partner portal, you can submit and monitor cases. Find phone numbers for your region. Start a license chat. Access multiple channels for support. And access software downloads. Milestone offers a more detailed course on the values and benefits available with the different levels of Milestone Care. Check our partner learning portal for more information on exploring Milestone Care. You just took a tour of the Milestone Care portal for partners in My Milestone. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.